All right, we're on the Turnagain Arm here. I'm in the van. I'm parked here. Now, this is the reason why I'm doing this initially in the van. First off, you see that movement? That is not me. This wind is moving. The reason why I'm parked crosswise is because in order for me to open the door, actually, let me demonstrate because this was a little on the insane side. All right, so now I'm parked directly into the wind. Okay, wind is coming right at me. That's literally, I'm literally pushing against the door. That door is fighting me in order to even get the door open. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave myself here. Because I do want to get something here. But this is a challenge because this is some crazy wind. Alright, so now I've got a lease so I can open the door. Whew. Wow, that wind is steep. All right, we're gonna head back to Beluga Point and see if I can get some sheep. Talk to you in a bit.